The 2025 Lexus LC is more than just a high-performance sports car. It's a true grand tourer that seamlessly blends luxury, style, and comfort. While many cars in its class prioritize speed and razor-sharp handling, the Lexus LC takes a different approach, focusing on elegance and a smooth ride without sacrificing power. Whether you're cruising on the highway or making a statement in the city, the LC offers a refined driving experience that strikes a perfect balance between performance and sophistication. The standard LC500 comes with a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 471 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 mph in 4.6 seconds, complete with a satisfying engine growl. For those seeking a more fuel-efficient option, the LC500H Hybrid pairs a V6 engine with electric motors to generate 354 horsepower. While slightly slower, with a 0 to 60 time of 4.7 seconds, the hybrid model offers significantly better fuel economy. For 2025, Lexus introduces a few subtle updates to the LC following a major infotainment upgrade in 2024. The LC500 Coupe now benefits from new underfloor braces, improving structural rigidity for enhanced handling. A new exterior color, iridium, replaces the previous atomic silver, while refreshed upholstery materials update the cabin's look and feel. Additionally, Lexus Bespoke Build program offers even more customization options, allowing buyers to personalize everything from paint colors to convertible top options, with choices like red or blue soft tops. Behind the wheel, the LC offers a driving experience defined by smooth handling and a composed ride, despite being larger than typical sports cars. The available rear-wheel steering system, part of the performance package, further enhances agility, though the standard setup already provides the kind of comfort and responsiveness expected from a grand tourer. Inside, the LC showcases Lexus' commitment to luxury, with a cabin that features high-end materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and modern design. The seats are both comfortable and supportive, making long drives enjoyable. However, the LC's practicality is limited by its small trunk, which offers just 5 cubic feet of space, enough for a few small bags but not much else. Fuel efficiency is not a strong suit for the V8-powered LC500, which is rated at 16 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. On the other hand, the hybrid LC500H offers better efficiency, delivering 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway, making it a more practical choice for longer trips. In the end, the 2025 Lexus LC sets itself apart from many of its competitors. While it may not dominate on the racetrack, it compensates with its luxurious ride, head-turning design, and ability to make every drive feel special. Whether you opt for the coupe, convertible, or hybrid, the LC delivers a driving experience that is as elegant as it is exhilarating.